What you will buy?
We will buy things for eating. Yeah.
You will not buy candies because you guys are sick. You all have flu.
Then what we will buy?
We're going to buy a chicken.
Only chicken.
I will
Can we
see
buy umbrella?
vegetable or fruit.
How do we shop for that one?
Yeah.
So that is our this one. Come with us and I'll show you our grocery. Let's go. It's over there. Follow me. You know. You know. You know. You know.
I begin to. I begin to.
You know. You know. You know.
I begin to. I begin to.
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure.
From the left.